Hey there, here are my friends Darren and Ying, his fiance, soon-to-be wife, and we are going to explore Sam Roi Yot National Park. You know how to say it?
Phraya Nakhon.
Oh, we're at the Phraya Nakhon. So anyways, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the cave up in the mountain, the temple up in the cave. It's awesome. And then we're going to do two things today that I haven't done before. Hopefully we're going to get on the Mangrove boat tour, and I said something else. Can't remember what it was.
Lily pad.
The lily pad. So there's a big lily pad place here with like a 1 kilometer walking path. So we're here at the Phraya Nakhon Cave. Yeah, that's where we are, and that's what we'll share with you. And we're gonna walk over to the beach because it's rough today. It's not like this very often, but there was a storm yesterday. It actually rained, which is odd at this time of the year. And now we're gonna start the hike up to the cave. I actually don't think we could ask for a better weather day. It is still overcast. Like I said, it had rained yesterday, but there is a wind, and I don't know the exact temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius, but it's 26 degrees Celsius right now. And normally on a day like today, it could be as high as 32. So that's 12, that's about a 15 to 20 degree difference. So we're walking from the parking lot to the entrance. There's some vendors. A day like today, you know, you could get water or without because it's not too bad of a day, but we are gonna stop and grab a drink. To share with you, we stopped at the last vendor right before the entrance on the right, and we got a amazing mango smoothie and a water. Total cost 70 baht, less than $2.
Was it less than 15 bucks for the three of us?
What was it, like 440 baht?
Yeah.
I think it was 200 for each of us and
so
40 for
$6
Ying.
for us and $1 for her.
Nice.
It's awesome.
And we're off. Turn right here. Trail keeps going that way, but there's a viewpoint up here and it's worth going to. Another little viewpoint, about 50 meters from the beach. You can see the little 50-meter sign. And here we are at the beach. There's bathrooms and stuff, and a trail that leads to the next trail that's up a pretty good hill on our way to the cave.
I got a friend, I got two friends with boat and that friend with jet skis, but he never uses them.
Yeah, they want to discuss, but we don't come to football.
Yes.
In case you're wondering, there are toilets, trash, restrooms, and just a nice location here on the beach if you want to hang out for a couple hours. Here we are leaving the beach. We're going to be heading uphill. The cave is 430 meters away, and it's not the easiest 430 meters on the planet. Anyone with medical conditions, please consider your ability before entering. Hello.
Hello? Speaking of my...
Hello. Sawadi Cup.
Sawadi Cup.
Hello. So we're at the first place that resembles a cave. I'll see if I can get a good shot from here. Definitely go down. There's some trees and stuff down there. It's pretty cool. I'll take a video when we're down there. But if you go up, you can see it's open, but we are in like a cave-like structure.
Hard to get you in. So you can actually walk all the way around it. Some of these little side caves have little shrines or temples in there. I hadn't seen this last time I was here.
I figure I don't know when I'm gonna get back here, so see it while I'm here.
Oh, dat is niet losgelopen.
So we just finished the Phraya Nakhon Cave, and when we're coming down, you know, everybody's going up, and the one thing we could tell them was it's worth it. So don't quit if you get here. You want to go all the way, and you want to see the cave because it is the cave and the temple because it is worth it. And if you're looking for something to do, it's worth it. So next part of this video, we're gonna head to the lily pads. I think I don't know the official name of it. We'll share that when we get there. But it's included in our pass. So our pass was 200 baht, which is less than $6 at today's exchange rate. And it includes all major attractions. So stick with us. We're gonna go to the lily pads in the walking area. And then hopefully we can do the Mangrove boat tour. I don't know, the water's high, the tide's coming in. There's a lot of current in the river, so we'll see. But stick with us, you'll enjoy it. Even on a cool, breezy day, you are still gonna feel it. It's not the easiest hike, it's strenuous, but again, it's worth it. The place we're gonna get on the boat's right over there, or at least talk to them about getting on the boat. The river's really high right now, but right behind the place, some pretty cool temples, and Kim and I have been here before. So if you watch some of our other videos, you'll see that we've been here before. Super nice backdrop with the mountains back there. The temple cows. And supposedly, I'll put the name of where we are. I'll put it right below the temple right here. But up in some of these hills, there's actually a hike and a viewpoint, but you get to it from the other side. And we're not gonna do that today, but if you keep going down the road here and around the corner, there's a place, and it's a pretty strenuous hike. So another place worth considering.
Here we are. You can see the entrance fee right there. 1 to 6 people, 500 baht. You also need to pay the national park fee before you take the boat, which we've done. And then there's Swadee Cup. 1 boat.
1 boat.
Yep.
You have ticket for entry.
Yeah.
You tell me ticket.
Wear a monkey. Steal your belonging. See, we're in the mangrove area. There's the boats. Yeah, and odds are when you come here, the river won't be this high. This is the highest I've ever seen the river. So, thank you for joining us today. We will be doing a mangrove swamp tour.
Hello. Check out the engine, the motor.
So, and just like that, we're done. That was about 1 hour. It was 500 baht. So at today's exchange rate, it was like $14. And it's 500 baht for up to 6 people. So literally, that could be about $2 to $3 per person for a 1 hour boat ride. And you saw we went all the way to the ocean. So we went inland, we went to the mangroves inland, and then we went all the way to the inlet to the ocean. So it was pretty cool. And there is a cool coffee shop over there. Maybe we'll go look for it. So we've arrived at the marsh call it the boardwalk. So Sam Roi Yot Boardwalk. Turn the camera around, show you. Don't forget your day pass, your day ticket, the 200 baht ticket gets you in here. And then they also have boats. The boats are available for 500 baht for 1 hour, just like the last place we were at. Wang Nature Education Center. The weather today is perfect. I don't want to say that there's a chill in the air. I don't want to say that there's a chill in the air. Pretty cool way to spend the day.